Kamain tawraga social media marketing haiba potse kamaina start tawdino huziki matam sida social media su paidaba yade channel me amadi lay karamba choose tawdino kadaidagi howdino. Hi everyone, my name is Thokchom Surmangol Singh. Aina si takchadariba tips manga se kanogi social media marketing gi matangdani kadaidagi howdino krede howdino huzik Instagram adigi Facebook yam thina crushing ori market ta ado si matang sida aina tips manga khak haijarake. Hanba tips number 1 amakhatang platform amakhatang khanbiyo YouTube obi Facebook obi LinkedIn obi Instagram obi Twitter obi Snapchat obi so on platform di miyam lere adudigi somna amakhatang khanbiyo aduga master dobiyo hadi miyam khanjaluraga magi different kanogi platform dugi magi uniqueness kamaina work toba Instagram na kamaina work to YouTube na kamaina to Facebook na kamaina to makal miyam lay aduna platform ama hana phajana choose torga aduda master dobiyo hadi long term gi oitargadi YouTube ta tobiyo ko adigi demographic kogi all the yangana Facebook tobiro adigi demographic kra young oiba generation na hayagana kogi Instagram gumba Snapchat gumba sidoina focus tobiro ko ado isana hana khanbiyo ba karamba platform na ina choose toduje haibgi nangi business adigi nangna tawgodoba potugi matungina platform ju choose tawam tangai phadaba mayam thina tangai phadaba podamani aduna haijaningeba point di platform di miyam ama lay khanbadi amakhatang khalaga master tawbiyo adigi magi algorithm gyan thabiyu kamaina tawni kari tawni adigi kari hapkani profile phajana create taw amazing profile LinkedIn da mu adigi YouTube da mu Facebook da mu Instagram da mu Snapchat si miyam taw lay targadi nang mediocre type thabak tawni quality aur aroi amakhatang da haidi full focus tadabiyu aduga 100% deliver nanga tawning import amakhatang da hana tawbiyo ba aduga dum step by step lakseba. Okay, so that's number 1. Step number 2, let's say you choose YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I'm choose story adu choose story matungda kedora second da khoina content create over aniba. You have to start creating a content platform do da when a content semba hor aniba content kamaina sem do no khotono adu kem to wa bigino hujik matam diam lare ChatGPT nam lare ChatGPT jada nangi industry nangna pamjari ba nangi needs tugi maka pona irani ChatGPT do the prompt irani go I wanted to create a content nangi audience to da kana kana no nanga target tawning is angang naha ko adagi between the age of let's say 21 naina 60 it really depends nana kanano target only kana de yang haningi no nangi content je highway matang da ChatGPT da ibeni prompt to adu ChatGPT ne pirani ChatGPT khatang na tabi da so khoge bus samona lay sigi website da changaga nangi asagi particular topic to ira matung da mana pitharani adi kaida no popular or so kholise adu gutana answer the public and lay answer the public to YouTube to research to we amna question kamaina hangi adigi Google da YouTube da siloinamak akoina yengbi plus Google trending sinabi Google trend huzik mayamna ka research tongari kari country da India gi US ki UK gi loinamak yengbi Google trend huzik world da ka research to no habsa si Google trending sinaraga akoina khangbi adu itardi content sai ilai na dum create to wi hujikti kanogi AI gi matamnina ChatGPT artificial intelligence su sinaraga dum somna yam laina content se create tawi ko adugidi content creator matungda kedora. Step number 3 nangi connection nangi network semba hobiro. You have to start building a connection adi kana gumba nangi industry du da kana gumba already hana leramba nangi competitors oro nangi friend circle oro nangi nang sukang khangdaba mi oro moina tawjariba moina post ka tawriba adagi moigi Instagram account da moi Facebook account da moina YouTube da moigi content hada mam do yengbiroba moida su engage tawbiu comment bibiu like tawbiu message thabiu moida su ayu sumana nangi channel am lay khobani connect tawrogadi hena aisu nangondagi tamge adoga laidana wari watai sanadana khotana message thaw connect tawbiu you have to build a connection with your right audience. Once adugi connection do semgra matungda di nang kedawra. Step number 4. You can start selling something. Ko aduga hek hobagadi tawbiganu sell tawbiganu hadi matam kitang ngaibiyo hadi at least like 3 to 6 months or it might be a year ko hana mayam sida hadi message bibiyu degi value bibiyu ko adagi follower di mayam laiba hadi follower do chatpigano ba nangi uji follower manga tara khatang laina engage so moina like piba comment piba share tawba hadi moina question hang panang na answer ga pibi dana they reply ga tawbi dana engagement do adu taw taragadi nangi uji platform duna na mo reward tor kaniba mai di mi kun khatang lai jatar so mai di engagement yam phajai like tawi share tawi comments pi adu tardi social media na muk suggest or aniba any platform ni ko ina hijarisa moina su mama di platform ya my platform sida uzi any platform obi ko YouTube obi Instagram obi Facebook obi Twitter obi LinkedIn obi based on your industry B2B or na B2C or na any platform any industry or any business or aduga sumaina mina comment like share adigi engagement gi ratio je hengalak targadi you will also get a reward from that particular platform ko aduga step number 5 the most important thing advertising day 1 dagi hogibo oi targadi kai sukai balite you can start promoting your product aduna tibida organically hadi hawko matam dadi paisa nungsagi hadi kama hadi advertising as a paisa spend dawduni adu nangi product to promote dawduni ko adu iduna paisa lairagadi am phare day 1 day nang dom nangi product to promote to yare adu paisa kitang financially tight oi targadi organically oi targadi hana content ja hana thadabiyo content ja thadabira matungda nangi customer duga build some relationship first and then you can bring to your own world hadi nangi community da propi hadi nangi website da propi ko hadi nangi group da propi so on adumaina tawbiyo ai ngasigi standard 5 se ado karigumba sisna ai tips manga sina kanabiba oitargadi myam comment tawbiyo like tawbiyo aduga subscribe tawbiyo aduga koi mateng pangasi aduga somna any topic in regards to digital marketing adum comment da thadabiramo ai video samjar ke songi damakta aduga I love to help you. I truly love to help you in order to go us together. So thank you very much and I appreciate it. Once again, please subscribe, drop a comment if you like this video and share it. Someone who's interested in social media marketing, please share it. I hope these tips will help a small person for sure. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.